Hey guys, welcome to the Pokepak. This is Mary.
And this is Jordan, and today
we have a Meowth promo and the Tapu Koko tin. Sorry about that, almost messed up big time.
It's alright.
Alright, let's go ahead and get into this. It says it comes with a little mini album.
That's actually pretty cute. A mini album, so you can get all your rarities in there. Oh, nice. It has a lot of pages to it.
That is.
Cool.
Alright, and get these packs. Come on, guys.
I wonder how many pages this has.
I don't know.
It's time for me to count.
Yay! Why is this not wanting to give me? Wow, they made it really well to get in there.
Really? I'll just use your scissors.
Oh shoot!
That's a problem.
Card for the people.
For the peeps.
Yeah, but it's Meowth.
There we go. You almost got it. Oh, a little bend.
Oh, I know. That's why I'm sad. Oh, Meowth, I'm sorry. But it's really cool looking.
Oh yeah.
So did you see how many pages were in there? Or did you even count?
I did not even count. I was so lazy. Wow.
You even were the one who mentioned it. Wow. Alright, we got a Steam Siege and Guardians Rising. Go with Guardians Rising then. Right. Card for the peeps. Fletchender, oops, Weeping Bell, Aqua Patch, Wishy Washy, Bellybird, Mudbray, Slowpoke. 30 in there? Alright. Goomy, aww. Ooh, Sandslash, and Salazzle. It's very nice. And then the Steam Siege.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you guys think about the video.
Card for the peeps.
I know that sounded really monotone, but it's all good.
Yeah, it was. Alright. Custodian?
Bastardon.
Bastardon, oops, my bad. Tangrowth. Captive Pokepak. Wow. Did you flip him? I know I had him. Close-ish, maybe. Yanma. Sneasel. Leo. Nose pass. Chimchar? Ooh.
Pyro.
That's pretty cool.
Yo, look at my man's. Look at my man's nose pass. Such a serious looking dude.
That is. Alright, let's get into this tin. Let's just use your scissors here.
Tapu Koko tin.
Yay!
It's a nice pyro art. It's like really nice art.
That is cool looking tin.
Yeah.
What's in all of a sudden?
Tapu Koko GX.
Nice. Alright, here you go, hon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Card for the peeps. This here, and a nice little tin to collect anything we want into it. Alright. Guardian Rising. Ooh, some XY Evolutions and Steam Siege.
Nice.
Alright. think we'll use that, hon?
This thing.
Yeah.
Probably.
Card for the peeps. Mallow. Energy Recycler. Tentacruel. Barboach. Geodude. Fletching. Patel. Eldum. Saladent. Reverse. Ooh. And a Chandelier? Or Chandelure?
Chandelure, there we go.
Alright.
Awesome.
That is nice. Let's see what else we got here. Card for the peeps. Ooh. Stadium here. Hala. Suduru.
Subaruto.
Fancy. Patel. Chubush. Machamp. Geodude. Mallow. Ooh, it's the reverse Mallow.
Nice.
And then Talonflame.
Talonflame.
Alright, let's go on to the Storm Siege. Card for the peeps.
Card for the peeps.
Jumpoof.
Jumped off.
Sorry. Thank you. Ninja Boy. Skiploom. Claw Fossil. Emerald.
The rest of
Rufflet. Ponytail. Meowth! Litwick. Ooh. That's kind of cool looking Shiftry.
Shiftry, yep.
All
Or
right.
Shiftry, I don't even know. But it's a reverse double energy.
That's pretty cool.
Dude, that's cool. That's our first, no, that's our third one. But it's a, we have two other ones, but this one's our first reverse.
Yes. Alright, now onto the XY evolutions. Actually, they're one of my faves.
Extra evolutions.
Yep. Code for the peeps. Beedrill. Pidgeot. Spirit Link. Basti Spirit Link. Switch. Dudo. Pika. Machamp. Growlithe. Ah, Onyx. Coughing.
Ooh, reverse coughing.
Ooh, that is nice. Alright, that unfortunately is the last card of the day. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and of course subscribe.
Become part of their Pokepak, guys. Let's just do a little recap. We got a double energy Shiftry or Shiftry. We got Chandelure. We got my man's Tapu Koko defending the islands, you know. We got Pyroar. We got Alolan Meowth. Alolan Sandslash.
Wow.
Salandit.
Cute.
Reverse Mallow. And Coughing.
Coughing.
Alright guys, hope you have a great day.
Thanks, guys. Have a great one.